Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to be a public figure on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account. One downside of switching to a professional account is that if you have a private account, this will make your account public. Simply tap on Continue for all of these things, and now tap on the search bar over here and search for public figure, and then go ahead and tap on that.